Buckle up, faith explorers. We're embarking on a spiritual journey like no other, hopping across the Philippines. But hold up, we're steering clear of Metro Manila this time. First stop, Batangas. Behold the national shrine of Padre Pio, where bamboo meets divine intervention. Feeling blessed yet? Next, we're zooming to Naga. Get ready for a heartwarming welcome from Our Lady of Peña Francia at the Minor Basilica. Trust me, it's an emotional roller coaster. Hold on to your hats. We're time traveling at Barasoain Church in Bulacan, where history and faith collide. Feeling miraculous? Because Manaoag is calling, where miracles happen and prayers get a special delivery to the heavens. Paoay, Ilocos Norte, baby. Home to the earthquake-resistant UNESCO-listed San Agustin Church. It's not just a church, it's a fortress of faith. Ever seen a church that's also a fortress? Welcome to Miagao Church in Iloilo, where art and resilience blend in the face of typhoons and invasion. Cebu calling. Let's visit the home of the Santo Niño, a beacon of hope and faith at the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. Now off to Davao City's oldest, San Pedro Cathedral. It's got style, grace, and a story to tell. Eyes up, adventurers. Loboc Church in Albay offers breathtaking views of Mayon Volcano. Plus, architecture that's straight out of heaven. Climbing next to Nuestra Señora de la Asunción in Ilocos Sur. 85 steps to heaven, anyone? Ghostbusters who? We're in Baclayon, Bohol, exploring one of the oldest Catholic churches that stood the test of time. Last but never least, Loboc Church, where music meets the divine and history rises from the ashes. And that, my fellow faith adventurers, is a wrap on our Whirlwind Visita Iglesia tour outside Metro Manila. Which one tugged at your spiritual heartstrings the most?